Good morning, dear students. Welcome back. So, in the last class, we have discussed midpoint theorem. Do you remember what is midpoint theorem? The line segment joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to half of it. Today, I'm just going to discuss with the application problem based on this chapter. Okay. So, this is our last section. So, please note, children, exercise 8.2, question number 3. Okay, question number 3. Please note, ABCD is a rectangle. PQR and S are the midpoints of side AB, BC, CD and DA respectively. Okay. Show that the quadrilateral PQR is a rhombus. So children, you know that what is the difference between a parallelogram and a rhombus, isn't it? See, what do you mean by parallelogram? Parallelogram means opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonal bisect each other, but they are not equal. Okay. What do you mean by what is comparatively different from that rhombus? Rhombus means what? All the four sides, it is a type of quadrilateral in which all the four sides are equal, right? And diagonal bisect each other at right angle. Okay, diagonal bisect each other at right angle. So what we need to prove? We need to prove all the sides are equal, right? Okay, listen. So it is already given that ABCD is a rectangle. PQR and S are the midpoints are AB, BC. Okay, listen carefully. So children, listen carefully. A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. These are the sides. Okay, and midpoint P, and this is Q, and R. Yes. Okay. Okay, children. Now listen. So, here and also the sides. Okay, show that PQR is the rhombus. Okay, listen. Now listen. We have a quadrilateral. Okay, we have a quadrilateral or rectangle, whatever it is. ഇവിടെ already തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് എന്താണ് rectangle തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് rectangle. So we have a rectangle. We have a rectangle ABCD, right? We have a rectangle ABCD in which P, Q, R and S are the midpoints of sides. Okay, are the midpoints of sides AB, BC, CD and DA respectively. Am I correct, children? Respectively. Am I correct? AB, BC, CD and DA respectively. Okay, now listen. In triangle, I am going to consider this one. Okay, in triangle ABC. Okay, children. In triangle ABC, PQ is equal to half of AC because AC is a diagonal, right? PQ is equal to half of AC, and also PQ parallel to AC. Am I correct? Take it as equation number 1. What's the reason? Midpoint theorem. Okay, midpoint theorem, because we know that, isn't it? Okay, next in triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, SR is equal to, okay, SR is equal to what? SR is, because we know that S and R are the midpoints of side AC, AD and DC respectively, right? So we can cut short into that SR is equal to half of AC. Okay, and also SR parallel to AC. Am I correct? Equation number 2. What's the reason? Same. Okay, so we can say that from 1 and 2, what you will get? PQ is equal to SR. Okay, and also PQ parallel to SR. Am I correct, children? PQ is equal to SR and also PQ parallel to SR. Okay, so take this as equation number 3. Okay, children. PQ parallel to SR. എന്താണ് നമുക്ക് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? PQRS is a rhombus. എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ PQ is equal to എല്ലാ സൈഡ്സും ഈക്വൽ ആണ് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യണം. Okay, PQ is equal to SR. Okay, again. Now listen again. Join BD as diagonal. Okay, listen carefully. So BD diagonal like join cheyidal. Okay, just imagine BD as a diagonal. Okay, now consider this triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, what you will get in triangle ABD? Can you say what is that? PS is equal to half of BD. Alle? PS is equal to half of BD. And also PS parallel to BD. Take it as equation number 4. Okay, reason midpoint theorem. Okay, and next in triangle BCD. Okay, children, in triangle BCD you will get QR is equal to half of BD. Am I correct? Equation number 5. Okay, equation number 5. And also we can say that QR parallel to BD. Am I correct? From equation 5 and 4. From 4 and 5. What you will get? Yes. PS is equal to QR. Am I correct? PS is equal to QR and also PS parallel to QR. Equation number 6. Okay, from these two equations, okay, PQ is equal to SR and also PS is equal to PQ is equal to SR and also PS is equal to QR. Okay, all the four sides are equal. From equation 3 and 6 you will get PQ is equal to QR is equal to, okay, PQ is equal to QR is equal to PS is equal to SR. Am I correct? SR. So what is the conclusion? Hence PQRS is a rhombus. Therefore PQRS is a rhombus. Okay, children? Hope this is clear, the section. Okay. So that exercise is over. ഇനി വരുന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഒക്കെ പറഞ്ഞാൽ കോൺവേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് മിഡ് പോയിന്റ് തിയറം ആണ്. അത് ആ ടോപ്പിക്ക് നമുക്ക് പഠിക്കാനില്ല. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ മെയിൻലി ഫോക്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന മിഡ് പോയിന്റ് തിയറം ആൻഡ് ആപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ പ്രോബ്ലംസ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ യു ജസ്റ്റ് നോട്ട് ഇറ്റ് എക്സ്ട്രാ പ്രോബ്ലം കണ്ടിന്യൂവേഷൻ. ഓക്കെ, നോ പ്രോബ്ലം. Very easy and important. Okay, children, listen. Next one is, so you know the properties of parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal, adjacent angles are supplementary. Do you remember that? Okay, in a parallelogram ABCD, 3x minus 12. So extra problems. Okay, in a parallelogram ABCD, if angle B is equal to 3x minus 10 degree, okay, 3x minus 10 degree, and angle C is equal to 2x plus 10 degree, sorry, minus 10 degree. Okay, 2x minus 10, yeah, that is plus. Okay, 2x plus 10 degree. Then find the value of x. We need to find the value of x. So it is already given that in a parallelogram. So children, this is a parallelogram. Am I correct? Yes or no? So A, B, C, D. These two angles are given, right? So we know that angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. What's the reason? Because adjacent angles are supplementary. What's that? Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Okay, supplementary. That means angle B. What is the value of angle B? 3x minus 10 plus angle C 2x plus 10. Children, equal to 180. Minus 10 plus 10 cancel. What is 3x plus 2x? You will get 5x, right? So 5x equal to 180. Therefore, x is equal to 180 divided by 5. You will get 36 degree. Okay, so you will get 36 degree. Now, question find the value of x. Okay. Now, this second problem. Next one is, in the adjoint figure, if angle B is equal to 68 degree, okay, in the adjoint figure, angle B is equal to 68 degree, then find angle A, angle C and angle D. What are things we need to find? Angle A, angle C and angle D. These things we have to find, okay. Angle B is given, that is 68. So A, B, C, D. Okay. This is 68 degree. Okay, children. 68 degree. So, children, you know that it is a parallelogram, right? In the given adjoint figure, if angle B is equal to 68 degree, then find angle A, angle C, and angle D. So, you know that in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal, right? Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal means what? Opposite angles are equal means angle B is equal to angle D, right? Yes or no? That is equal to 68 degree. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Okay. And also, see children, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. What's the reason? Adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. Okay. What's the reason? Adjacent angles of a parallelogram. Okay, adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Okay, that means what? Angle B is, we know that at 68 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So you will get angle C is equal to what? 180 minus 68. You will get what? So you will get 112 degree, right? 112 degree. Okay, children. Now listen. Angle C is equal to 112. So what about angle A? So angle A is equal to angle C, 112 degree. What's the reason? Because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So angle A which is equivalent to angle C. Okay, hope this is clear. Now listen, next question. Listen carefully. Next one is, in the figure, D is the midpoint of AB and DE parallel to BC. In the figure, okay, DE parallel to BC. Okay. In the figure, D is the midpoint of AB and DE parallel to BC. Find X and Y. Okay. So we need to find X and this is Y. Here it is 6. Okay. Okay, children. Now listen. We know that. See. AE is equal to EC. Okay. AE is equal to EC. And here, we would add the y, and this is 5 centimeters. Okay. Now listen, children. A is equal to EC. Can you say what's the reason? Because E is the midpoint of E is the midpoint of AC. Am I correct? Because E is the midpoint of AC. That means what is the length of X is equal to what? 5 centimeter. Okay. And also listen. DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. And D is equal to half of BC. Right? Yes or no? So what is actually DE? DE means we know that it is 6. Okay. So 6 is equal to half of BC. Actually what we need to find? BC as Y. Right? So you will get 6 into 2 is equal to BC. That means 12 centimeter. Y is equal to what? 12 centimeter. Okay children. Hope this is clear. Then next question. Next one, please note the next question. If an angle of a parallelogram is 4 by 5 times, okay, 4 by 5 of its adjacent angle, then find the measures of all angles of the parallelogram. Okay, what is given? Children, listen carefully. So here 4 by 5 times of adjacent angle. So adjacent angle we take as x. So 4 by 5 of x. Okay. See, I'm going to PQR's name. Okay. So PQRS is a parallelogram, right? PQRS is a parallelogram, and also given that what is the first condition? If an angle of a parallelogram is 4 by 5 of its adjacent angle. Okay, so let the adjacent angle be what? Yeah, let the adjacent angle be x. Adjacent angle be x. Angle be x. Am I correct? Let the adjacent angle be x. That means we know that adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. That means angle x plus angle x is actually angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree. What's the reason? Adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. That means 4 by 5, 4x by 5 plus x equal to 180 degree. Okay. Okay children. So you have to just find the LCM. You will get 4x plus 5x cross multiply by 5 equal to 180. So you will get 9x equal to 180 into 5. If you want, you can cut short, no problem. 180 into 5. Okay, therefore x equal to 180 into 5 by 9. Okay, so 9 and 180 cancel, 20. So what is 20 into 5? That is 100 degree. So actually x equal to 100. That is same as angle S. Okay. So angle Q is equal to angle S. That is equal to what? 100 degree. Am I correct? What is angle P and angle S? So angle P is equal to angle R. That is equal to what? 80 degree. Okay. Hope this is clear. Okay children. So see you in the next class. Thank you.